cook with jar. Today we're gonna make sauce, which gonna be nice and tasty. It's called Gypsy sauce, and it's gonna go very nice with placki ziemniaczane. What we do first is warm up the oil. Put the onion. Into the onion we put in paprika, cumin, black pepper, garlic, oregano. Basically the basic set of herbs and spices which I always use and which you're gonna see at the end of the show. We fry the onion with the oil. We can put 1 cube of beef stock. After that we're gonna add meat and fresh paprikas. There's 3 paprikas. It's good to have different colors so it's gonna look nicely all together. And pure tomato, about 2 tablespoons of pure tomato and a tin of chopped tomatoes. Now we put a bit of beef inside. As I said, it should be about 2 steaks, which is about 200 grams. 20 deco if you want. We're waiting for it to go solid. And when it's gonna go solid on the edges, we're gonna put some more paprika. And we will leave it with a bit of water for a while for paprika to go soft and meat. And then we're gonna put the rest of the things, garlic, oregano and tomatoes. We put some more pepper and we're gonna add some garlic. And we're gonna add some oregano. Paprika and the pepper will be good as well. So red paprika and black and red pepper. Should be spicy but not too spicy. Remember, you have to eat that. Don't wanna turn it into the trouble. We leave like that for a while and then we're just gonna add tomatoes. Our sauce is almost ready. Now we put a bit of chopped tomatoes and as I said, about 2 tablespoons of pure tomatoes. We mix that all together, waiting for moving, and our sauce is ready. We will serve that with placki ziemniaczane, and the way to serve it is put the placek on. And you add a bit of sauce. You should be able to close it, and that's the way it should look. Enjoy.